What's up, buds? It's Dave. Y'all know me. I've been pretty critical of DJI lately because the repair shenanigans. I shipped this off. They offered me to repair this for $166. They're $169 brand new for just the air unit itself. No go. Eventually, after 3 rounds of arguing with them, they finally gave it to me for $100. I was like, hell yeah, that's better than $166. But I was pretty critical because, honestly, like, why should you have to argue 3 times to get a fair shot? So shipped another one off as soon as I got this one back, and I just got a package from DJI. So I'm going to open it up, see what we got in here. Because it's kind of weird. I didn't get a quote for my second air unit yet to show me that it's like what it's going to cost to repair or anything. Oh, there's a hat. It's a DJI hat. Oh, that's it. It's just a hat. Great. I got a DJI hat now. Is this going to change my attitude about DJI's customer service? Is that going to buy your love? I don't know. We'll see what they say when they give me the second quote. I don't even wear hats.